Hello mga kasibo, maayong morning. Naata sa gawas mga kasibo, magtahi ka sa atong para sa atong for the lemon seto, lemon in the US. So ang atong makina. So we are here sewing in here because the tarp is very dirty. This is tarp for the swimming pool, but we do not use it. So I have idea to make it cover for the lemongrass. Then it's dirty. That's why I brought here the sewing machine, portable sewing machine. Singer. So I did not clean this one yet because this is I put in my sewing